Yeah, hi. My name's Diana. I'm from Port Macquarie. I've always wanted to do the online selling, and this is the opportunity for me now in life. The conference has been great. Alex and Peter and the rest of the team have all been excellent. I totally recommend doing this conference, and looking forward to the rest of the time. I'll just continue now and grow from there. Totally recommend this to anyone who wants to do online selling. I think that Alex is very genuine. He's totally real. Peter and the rest of the team, they're just fantastic.